Okay, so for this assignment, you're going to get a basic introduction to the idea of code. Code is the language that computers speak. Actually, if I hit the F11 button on my keyboard right now, then I go full screen. But I think if I hit F12, there you go, you can see the code that makes up this web page. You can do that on your computer too. These little lines right here, these tell the computer exactly what to display on this page. And if it looks really confusing, well, because it's a different language. If this were written in Chinese, I bet like most of you would probably be pretty confused too, because that's a different language that most of you probably don't speak. And this is a language that you don't speak yet either. This language is called HTML. So what you're going to do is get a very basic introduction to this idea of computer code. And here's what you're going to do. You're going to go to this site to sign up for the Hour of Code. So you're going to click that, and then your email is first.last@studentssd.org. So when you go to Hour of Code, you want to actually do your real name because you want real credit for this. Your email is studentssd.org. And for you, we're just going to, you would make it your first.last. Make your password the same thing you used to log into the computer with today, or another one that you would for sure remember. You got to enter it in twice. Enter your age in right there. And then pick a gender preference. After that, you're going to register. So the email, I've tried to enter in a fake email. Let me see if I can. Oh man, they really made me work for this, don't they? Okay. All right, now I'm registered. So the next thing to do is then pick one of the projects on this page. So if you click this page, it'll take you to this page. And you can see that you're already logged in. If you're not, you need to log in up here in the corner. And then you complete one or more of these projects. So you could click a link here that takes you straight to the project, or you could scroll through the projects right here. And the projects are kind of game-based, and they're designed to teach you the basics of what is computer code. So pick a project that looks like okay to you. Go to that project and make sure to watch these tutorial videos that show up, because then it'll make a lot more sense once you get into the project. So you watch a video all the way through, close it, read the directions, hit OK, and you're going to go through all the steps. Once you've finished the entire project, what I want you to do is take a screenshot that shows you're done, go back here, submit that screenshot, and then right below where you submit your screenshot, and it doesn't quite look right for me because I'm not in student view, you're going to have there's a comment box. And in the comments, I just want to hear what you thought about going through that process. Was it fun? Was it boring? Was it interesting? Do you feel like you learned something? Is it really confusing? I just want to hear your thoughts on it. That's all you need to do for this one.